Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'll do a test fit of this specific watch strap that you can see right here. Just so we can see how it looks like and feels like on the wrist. Now with that being said, I will be doing a bunch of other ones, so if you're interested in some other ones and seeing how they look like on the watch, then you can check out this. There's going to be a whole lineup of them. I have a bunch of different ones prepared on the side that'll be going each one separately over. So sticking to this one, let's pop it open. So this is the Velcro one with a little of a white accent, and just take off these straps. There we go. And we can put this on. There we go, clipped in. Take it off, and I'll be honest, and the Velcro ones are pretty nice. So they do feel quite okay on the wrist. It's not like hard or anything. As an example, these ones obviously might not be as comfortable. This is pretty good. I am very skinny, so obviously something that is comfortable for me will be good, because if I flick my wrist, any other strap would basically start digging into my arms because they don't really fold. This one is soft, so that's pretty good. Now, the downside over kind of these straps with Velcro is that Velcro tends to wear over time. So you might need to be replacing them over time, because the Velcro itself might not be sticking to the band too well, and it would just be coming off too easily. Obviously that's not something that you want, your strap coming off when you're wearing the watch, because it will just mean that you're at one point going to lose the watch. So something to keep in mind. But in general, the strap itself feels nice. It looks also okay. Might not be fitting with this more premium aesthetic of the watch itself, but in terms of comfort and just ease of use, it's actually pretty good. So there we go, that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.